Anak iyo lagi. Anak iyo. Kali ini kita turun lagi, tapi di Sungai Pawan. Saya nggak sendiri loh. Ada
di Pare.
Bang Pajar loh. Pakai 3 joran aja bro. Nih. Biasa kita pakai umpan cacing nipa nih.
Ini cacing potong gitu.
Nah ya.
Aduh.
Kayaknya lumayan loh Jang, ikanduri anak iyo tuh, anak iyo ya Jang. Macam pelur. Lama lagi bro. Tidak terasa. Ikan dimakan. Sekilo ada mah ni. Kumpulkan ni. Kan gelam. Gelam apa ni? Strike bro. Anak iyo ni, oh enggak, kan lama lagi bro. Bro, ikan duri bro, lihat Jang.
Udah macam baung aku.
Hah. Mayan nggak ro, besar ro.
Bentak kan aduh.
Anak iyo lagi. Masalah. Sumit besar, besar gini sumit Box korang keluar. Hah?
Opak aku tu.
Tekoyak. Ini apa ni?
Ini duri laut ni kuning.
Super tapi tak sama bro.
Satu lagi.
Satu paket.
Dia corak ya dia.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.